We still have 27 days left of summer, so don't put the grill away just yet. A lot of time to enjoy the sunshine, your backyard, and what better way than cooking up some all-beef sliders. Claudine is with our favorite chef, Hugh Groman, up on the rooftop, cooking away. Take it away.
I know, Frank, 27 days left of summer, and Hugh's got 2 grills going. Tell me what we're making. We got sliders, and I was just watching you put a little salt on those patties there.
Yeah, we got some classic Phil sliders and homemade potato tots. I'm going to show you how you can grill potato tots.
I've never done that before.
Yeah, but first we're going to start with some grilling tips, okay?
Let's do that.
So I've got a nice hot grill, and I made sure that I cleaned it really well. Those are 2 important things to start, okay?
That's important, yeah.
And then I'm just throwing the meat on, and I'm going to carefully season it with salt and pepper. A lot of salt and pepper. But very carefully. I want it to be even so that every bite is delicious, okay?
You're messing up that grill. It's no longer clean.
Close that up. Well, it'll get clean again later. So then for the tots, why don't you help me out?
Okay, I can help you.
Here's the fun thing here. We've got these supermarkets potato tots, and we've got also our homemade potato tots. You can just pour this whole thing on there.
Pour it on?
And put both of them on there. We're just going to show you how you can grill potato tots.
Oh, I just dropped one.
That's okay. That's for the birds.
Operator error. Okay, so I'm going to dump these very ungracefully on there. Can I just kind of scoot these around a little bit? I have never done that before. That's so interesting.
And then these are our homemade potato tots. So I just wanted to, so you guys could do a little taste test. But the point is you don't have to make homemade potato tots. You could just take frozen potato tots. Here we go, boom. And we're just going to close that up.
Perfect. All right.
And the idea is it re-crisps the potato tots. That intense heat on the grill gives you a better result than just throwing them in the oven, okay?
I love that.
And then finally here, what you're going to help me out, we're going to make
You trust me a lot more than you should.
You've
known me for a long time, Hugh.
You're such a good cook. Here, so you're going to be the stir. We've got mayonnaise, caramelized onions, chipotle. Okay. Oh, that's going to make it spicy.
I like that.
And fresh tomato. This is nice because it's a little different than adding ketchup to the classic special sauce. And pickle relish. So easy.
It's easy, but it really gives it a little
so we just happened to, by the magic of television, we just happen to have some already made.
Or magic of television, or you don't trust me to mix it properly.
Well, a little bit
again, you know me.
You never know how long things will take. And then you just have the bottom of your buns here. We got these from Taste of Denmark. This is a great local bakery that I've been using for my slider buns. A really great local resource. It's been around forever. Probably, 40 years or 50 years or something. And then you just turn them over, and then they get another 2 minutes. It's about 2 minutes on each side for medium rare. And some other tips for grilling here. Don't mess around with it. Don't pat them, don't flatten them, don't move them around. Don't
Are you watching me grill?
Everybody does that. Because they think, honestly, because there's not that much to do, so they're bored.
I was asking you if there's any way to mess them up. What happens when you do that? They just lose a lot of the juice.
They lose their juice. You're just totally counterproductive. And then also, when you're cooking this simply, again, you have to pay attention to the quality of your meat. This is a great opportunity to use a high-quality ground beef and then just season it really carefully. Now that I've turned them over, I'm going to season them again real carefully.
That may be a point. Do you think, because, if you buy a really expensive steak, you are spending a lot of money, but maybe with ground beef you can go afford to,
it's not
bump it up a little bit.
Hugely expensive, and if you have that great quality beef and you season it perfectly, beef takes a lot of salt. It takes more salt than almost anything else. More than you'd think. But you want to be careful, again, not too much.
Not too much.
But you'd be amazed at a hamburger that's lightly seasoned versus a hamburger that's thoroughly seasoned. So now let's go back here. I'm just
I forgot about it.
The tots. Oh, tot down. Here, maybe that's the one that you're going to taste. So, do you want to taste it?
Yes.
Homemade potato tots, that's just a classic ketchup. So look, you just kind of spoon these around on the grill so that they'll get evenly crispy.
Do you know how much I love tater tots?
Well,
so much.
I'm glad, and I love them too, and everybody really loves them, especially when they're this good.
Is it really hard to make a homemade tater tot?
These homemade potato tots are actually a very special recipe. I give away every recipe except this one because my team has worked so hard to figure out how to do this. And it's just potatoes, but it's the procedure. We don't add anything to them. There's no eggs or anything, but there's this whole special procedure they do that is very labor intensive. And
secret recipe.
The only thing that I have is a secret. But
how long do you even do?
These are going to be like 4 or 5 minutes on a medium heat. This for the tots you can go kind of medium heat.
So less time than an oven. In an oven you leave them in a lot longer.
Yeah, because you've got this super hot, intense heat, and that way you're going to get them crisp and, really refreshed.
That's awesome. All right. You sad summer's over?
I am sad, but we still got 1 more week. Burning Man!
Focus. All right. Well, these look fantastic. I appreciate you coming in. Oh my gosh, those look even better.
So here we go.
All right, plating is key. Those are ready to go, huh? All right,
Yeah.
we gotta go, but we'll be up here kind of testing everything.
I'm
gonna taste it. Yep, I'm gonna eat this slider while I send it down to Mark Tamayo, and maybe Mark, I'll bring you one. Frank too. All right.